we're back! Finally, woo-wee. Didn't think I was ever gonna get back on YouTube. Your girl been working, W-E-R-K-N, working. I have landed a few background jobs in the past, say, month, 5-6 weeks. They've been keeping the sister busy. And normally, it's like the word said, background. We in the background. They don't want you to be no standout. So I've been basically wearing some little nondescript wigs. Because you know, our crochet braids be divalicious, flamboyant, and fabulous. So only one job I actually wore my crochet braids for, and then I had to take them out and bring it down, bringing the style down a little bit, if you know what I mean. So, but I am back, and had stopped into my local beauty supply store. Lo and behold, they are on the outs with Bobbi Boss. Had all their crochet hair, their Bobbi Boss crochet hair, 50% off. You know, I brought home a haul. I hadn't even planned to do this hair right here, but it was half price. So, and the other thing, I hadn't really done any like really long hair or like any braids. So this was the best of both worlds. Some long hair and some braids. This is their, what is this? Bohemian box braid. 18-20 inches. Let me get the stock card so I can give y'all the real 411. Okay, so here we go. It is the Bohemian box braid, 20 inches. And here's the packaging. As you can see here, it is a thick, wavy box braid with curly ends. Comes 30 strands per pack. I did buy 4 packs and used all 4. Here's the colors that are available, solids as well as some mixed colors. And I must say, even with 4 packs, the hair is relatively light on your head. Now, let's talk about the loop right here. It is an ample sized loop, well defined, but it kind of turned into a double loop on most of the strands, but that's not an issue. I'm using my stay crochet. If you follow me, you already know what that is. If you don't follow me, shame on you. It's just a crochet wig cap on top of my cornrow base. So this was easy to install. Just pull it through the loop, pull to tighten, and you're good to go. This style can be achieved in 1 hour. So, before y'all ask, I do not know how long I'm going to keep this hair in. It's a bit much for the kid. I'm not used to having all this hair on my head. It's not all that conducive to my favorite activities, such as playing tennis. I mean, you're going to have to tie it back, tie it down. So it's just a little much to be running all around the court with all this hair flopping every which way. And working in the yard, I mean, it's a little hot for that. So we'll see. I'm going to try to hang with it as long as I can, but I ain't making no promises. At least, you know, I'm giving it a chance and bringing y'all the 411 because it may be just what you're looking for. So you can kind of get an idea of what you're working with. That will do it for this video, YouTube. Now, I promise it will not be another 3 weeks before I post again on YouTube. Already have some hair lined up for the next one. I think I got some 12-inch coming this time. But anything I did not include in this video about this hair that you have comments or your questiones, you know what to do with them bad boys. Post them down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you like this content, you found this helpful, you like this, enjoyed getting this 411, you know what to do if you haven't already. Click that subscribe button and ring the bell to get your notifications. Out for now though, YouTube. Thank you so very, very much for watching. Join our Facebook group, Marcita B's Crochet Braids Anonymous. We also bring you the 411 tips and giveaways on that page. Check that out. Gone for now, YouTube, but until the next time, you know what I always say before I leave. Be safe, take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.